So what I would tell anybody beginning to sell on Etsy is that make sure you are doing product research first. This is so critical and so important. I cannot tell you how many people waste time creating products that will never sell because no one wants those products. So welcome back, my friends. If you are new to this channel, my name is Jay, and on this channel I do everything from how-to videos and step-by-step guides teaching you exactly how to create and sell your own digital products online. So if that's something you are interested in, consider subscribing to my channel, and at any time you're getting value in today's video, make sure you guys hit that like button because that helps this channel out a lot. Now let's jump into the video. So if you are new to selling on Etsy and it has been a little challenging to figure out how to sell products that will actually make a profit for you, usually when you hear people talk about selling products online, they always tell you lead with your passion, and I am all about leading with your passion. However, inside of your passion, inside of your niche, you want to make sure you are researching content that is selling right now. And the reason why a lot of people don't make sales in their Etsy store is that they are creating everything based upon passion and not upon data, not upon research. So again, yes, be led by your passion, find the niche you want to be a part of, but in that particular niche, you want to spend time doing research so that you know whatever product you're going to make, you have the highest probability to make a sale because you're making products based upon data as opposed to making products just on pure passion. So an easy way to do research to help you make the best sales online is to make sure you are finding best sellers. Now, again, you guys should know by now on my channel, I teach you guys not to create the best sellers over again. Don't do a copy of the best sellers. However, it is possible to recreate that product. But again, these best sellers are giving me information to let me know this is what people want. However, I want to think about how can I create that in a different way, add my own personal value to it, and give a different design, aiding to the needs of people who want to purchase more content like this. So again, look at those best sellers, figure out what they are doing well, and how can you add more value or a different type of version of that particular product listing so that you can attract a new buyer in that same particular niche. Make sure you are using keywords that are not highly competitive. Again, the whole reason why you're not making a sale online is because no one can find you. Usually we find people as beginners creating digital products and then using keywords that are just so competitive, and people will never find your product no matter how good it is, no matter how many hours you spent creating that product. If people can't find it, people can't buy it from you. And so I teach you guys down below a little bit of my strategy of how to actually find keywords that will sell and have your product show up in Etsy. So if you haven't checked that video out, I would encourage you guys, check out the card above to know how to create keywords that will actually get your product found on Etsy search. But an easy tip I can give anybody today for finding keywords that will actually help your product show up in search is go into Etsy and click on the Etsy search bar, and whatever is your first word to your particular product listing, you want Etsy to fill in the rest for you. Again, this is how we know what is actually selling right now. There are a lot of great resources like Marmalead and eRank and a couple more, but the best resource you have right now is the Etsy search bar. And the reason for that is because Etsy knows what people are looking for and what is trending at that time. And if you allow the Etsy search to help you build out your particular keywords, this will help you get found more in search because you are allowing the Etsy search to lead out your product to people who are looking for that particular item. So the next tip I can give to you is make sure you are using good product images and good product mockups. I cannot tell you how many people move past particular listings because they just can't see it, right? The product listing is too small, it's too generic, it's not popping out, it's not standing out. And people are more willing to buy with their eyes as opposed to buying with their mind. And what I mean by that is they're not going to read your title and read your description if they don't first see it as appealing with your image. So you want to make sure you spend time creating decent mockups in regards to your images, and make sure you use all of the image slots in Etsy. So what I also tell people who are selling digital products online is that allot some of those Etsy images to be used to communicate to your potential buyer. And what I mean by that is whatever information you put in the description, make sure you put it also in your images. If you're selling shirts, if you're selling a digital wall art, let them know the size, maybe different versions you may have, even if you allow people to personalize them in a certain way. These are all great ways to captivate your audience because you are using all of your image slots for a good purpose. And again, people are more inclined to look at your product pictures as opposed to reading the description. People buy with their eyes first and then with your information in your description. So use your images well and communicate all the value to your audience right there in the image section. And the last tip I can give to you is just test, right? Test out different keywords, test out different product listings, test out different images. And what I like to do is I like to create the same product listing in different ways, at least 3 different ways. So if I am creating a Christmas invite, I want to duplicate that particular listing 3 times. I want to use 3 different sets of keywords and 3 different sets of tags and maybe 3 different sets of images, because I want to know which one would actually sell. Again, the reason why most products don't sell is because people cannot find them. Either the image is not what people are looking for and the product is not what people are wanting right now. However, if you are creating a split test between all 3 of these items and you're using different keywords and different tags and different images, then you know which one will sell the best. And here's the kicker that I want to tell people. Once you find out what product listings will sell with what keywords, you are able to create more products just like that and get more sales in that area and dominate that particular keyword. So again, my friends, I hope you guys put into action all of these tips I just gave you guys today. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to my channel. I make videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays teaching you exactly how to create and sell your own digital products online. And so if you haven't yet turned on notifications, make sure you guys hit that little bell so you don't miss out on any content I drop in the future. But as always, my friends, I will see you in the next video.